Have clients you bill the same amount to every month? Manually creating those invoices is a waste of your precious time. The solution? Recurring invoices in FreshBooks. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Think of this as your autopilot for invoicing. You set it up once, and FreshBooks automatically creates and sends the invoice on your chosen schedule. First, create a new invoice just like you normally would, with the client, amount, and all the line items. Once it's perfect, instead of clicking Send, look for the Set as Recurring option. You'll then choose the frequency, monthly, quarterly, whatever fits, set the start date, and decide how many times to send it or if it should continue indefinitely. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: add a personal touch to automated emails. Even though the invoice is automated, you can and should customize the email message that goes with it. A friendly, personalized note makes the interaction feel human and maintains a strong client relationship. So, just like that, you've automated a routine task, freeing up your time to focus on the work that actually earns the money. What's your most common recurring invoice? A monthly retainer, or a subscription service? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.